Good day, everyone. This is Gary Ender with another issue of Highlights from candlecharts.com. Some of you are familiar with Western technical analysis and are just now starting to learn how to utilize the candles. And one way to utilize the candles is by just using the size and the shape of the candlesticks themselves. Here we see a market. This is actually an ETF for the home builders. As this market moves up, we see it go into a broadening top. Some people call this a megaphone pattern. One thing we know from our Western technical analysis is that a megaphone pattern is somewhat unreliable as to which way it breaks out. But when we enter this in an uptrend and we see any form of consolidation, we're always thinking that the odds are a little bit greater that it wants to break out to the upside. And then we see from this move down, here we see a bull sash pattern, which you may or may not be familiar with. And then we see a long green candle, a long green candle. And with this long green candle, we break above this resistance point. So even if we don't know a lot about the candlestick patterns themselves, and we don't know what this candlestick pattern is called here, we see these nice long green candles, which is showing us a lot of force in the market. Then we end up with a small body candle. What is that small body candle telling us? It's telling us that it's losing a little bit of force in the market. And then we see the market come back again with a long green candle, a small red body candle, and then another long green candle. So we can look at force or lack of force in the market to help us determine what the psychology of the investors and the traders are in a specific market, just like we've done here, with really not talking about the candlestick patterns themselves. But of course, it obviously gives us a huge advantage if we are familiar with the basic candlestick patterns. And we'll call the basic candlestick patterns the 28 patterns that we use in the Nison candle scanner. Hopefully this helps with your trading. We'll be back very soon with another edition of Highlights.